If you're desperate for better sleep and tired of feeling exhausted, you're not alone. My daily fatigue was a burden. Turns out my poor sleep was because of my snoring. To finally achieve restful sleep, you need an effective anti-snoring device. Luckily, I found VitalSleep. I was skeptical at first, but I saw noticeable results after just one night. The fitting process is easy. Heat it in hot water, mold it to your teeth, and adjust the tray. I love that it provides a customized fit. It's made in the USA and BPA-free. Thanks to VitalSleep, I get deeper, better quality sleep and feel refreshed throughout the day. Best of all, I'm sleeping with my partner again and we couldn't be happier.